Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to make a board private in Monday.com. So this is pretty simple. First, navigate to the board that you want to change to private. So in my case it is new board 1. Click on it. Now navigate to this menu options. Click on it as well. Now click on more actions down here and simply navigate to, click on settings right here and simply navigate to change board type. Now you can change it to private just right here. Click on change to private and choose whether to invite the item assignees to this board. So invite them if you want, or don't invite them and remove their access to this board. And then simply confirm by clicking on change board to private. It is really simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.